AI/ML Model Architecture with Python. The book cover and banner for AI/ML Model Architecture with Python by Pradeep K. Suri highlight its focus on practical, hands-on learning and mentorship in AI/ML practices. Here's how this relates to a mentorship program. Front cover design. Title and visuals. The title AI/ML Model Architecture with Python is complemented by a futuristic, neural network-inspired design that conveys advanced technology and innovation, aligning with mentorship in cutting-edge AI/ML technologies. Author's name, featuring the author prominently, builds credibility and emphasizes the mentorship offered by a subject matter expert. Blue Rose branding. The publisher's logo and mention add authority and signify a structured approach, similar to a mentorship program's backing by a reputable organization. Back cover content. Comprehensive scope. The description on the back cover outlines key topics such as AI/ML pipelines, model implementation, optimization, and real-world applications, which are essential components of a mentorship program. Hands-on approach. The text emphasizes practical applications across industries like finance, automotive, and project management, demonstrating how mentorship will be relevant and industry-oriented. Guidance for multiple levels. The chapters cover basic to advanced topics, mirroring a mentorship program that caters to both beginners and experienced practitioners. Focus on real-world problem solving. The program emphasizes real-world applications and case studies, aligning with the book's theme of practical learning and mentorship. Banner design. Professional presentation. The banner showcases the book as a professional resource, highlighting its availability across platforms like Amazon and Flipkart, ensuring easy accessibility for ments. Dual view. Front and back. Including both the front and back gives a complete overview of the book's offerings, much like a mentorship program that provides holistic guidance. Emphasis on author. The author's photo and bio build a personal connection, crucial in mentorship where ments seek inspiration and trust in the mentor's expertise. Relevance to a mentorship program. The book serves as a guide for learners looking to build AI/ML solutions effectively, much like a mentorship program where personalized guidance, hands-on experience, and industry-relevant knowledge are delivered. The structured content and diverse applications reflect the curriculum of a well-rounded mentorship program, ensuring that ments are equipped to handle real-world challenges in AI/ML. Detailed breakdown and suggestions for incorporating the book theme into a mentorship program. The theme of the book AI/ML Model Architecture with Python can be transformed into a mentorship program by focusing on these core elements. 1. Structured curriculum. Book alignment. Use the book's chapter breakdown as the foundation for the mentorship syllabus. Example modules. AI/ML pipelines and processes. Feature optimization. Real-world applications, finance, automotive, etc. Advanced machine learning models. Each chapter can be a weekly or bi-weekly topic for study and discussion. Mentorship editions include additional live projects, case studies, and industry-specific examples to supplement the book's content. Outcome. A structured program provides ments with clear learning goals and milestones. 2. Hands-on learning. Book integration. The book emphasizes practical implementation using Python, such as writing AI/ML pipelines, building and evaluating models, example random forest, KNN, optimizing model performance. Mentorship activities. Assign live coding sessions based on the book's exercises. Guide ments to develop their own small-scale AI/ML projects. Encourage experimentation with datasets in finance, retail, or automotive. Outcome. Ments gain real-world experience by applying concepts directly to projects. 3. Real-world case studies. Book inspiration. Highlight practical AI/ML applications from the book, example fraud detection, predictive analytics. Mentorship application. Analyze real-world problems, like product recommendations or supply chain optimization. Assign industry-specific case studies for ments to work on, guided by the mentor. Evaluate results together, focusing on insights and improvements. Outcome. Ments understand how to bridge theory with practical industry solutions. 4. Personalized guidance. Book as reference. While the book is a guide, mentorship should adapt based on men's needs. Beginners, focus on foundational Python and AI/ML basics. Advanced learners, dive into advanced techniques like hyperparameter tuning or custom model building. Mentorship tools. Regular 1:1 sessions to address questions and offer career advice. Personalized feedback on coding practices and projects. Setting individual goals for each mentee based on their interests, example healthcare AI or financial modeling. Outcome, ments receive tailored support, boosting their confidence and skills. 5. Incorporating industry-relevant tools. Book alignment, discuss AI/ML frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, or scikit-learn, as mentioned in the book. Mentorship focus. Provide hands-on workshops on these tools. Discuss their relevance in industry and demonstrate real-world workflows, example deployment on cloud platforms. Include training on data visualization tools like Matplotlib or Seaborn to interpret results. Outcome, ments gain experience in tools that are directly applicable to industry jobs. 6. Feedback and assessments. Mentorship edition. Include regular coding challenges, quizzes, and project submissions. Provide constructive feedback to help ments improve. Introduce peer reviews to promote collaborative learning. Examples from book. Use exercises from the book to evaluate progress. Assign ments to modify or improve book examples to test creative problem solving. Outcome, ments track their progress and refine their skills over time. 7. Capstone project. Theme alignment, the book covers end-to-end AI/ML workflows, ments can replicate this in a final project. Mentorship activity. Ments identify a real-world problem and develop a solution using the concepts learned, example predictive maintenance or fraud detection. Present the project, documenting the problem, methodology, and outcomes. The mentor provides detailed feedback and career advice on showcasing this project in a portfolio. Outcome, ments have a tangible result to demonstrate their skills. 8. Networking and career development. Mentorship extensions. Conduct group mentoring sessions where ments present their projects and learn from peers. Provide career advice, such as tips for AI/ML job interviews or building a strong LinkedIn profile. Share real-world industry challenges and discuss solutions in mentorship sessions. Outcome, ments are prepared to transition into professional AI/ML roles. Suggested flow for the mentorship program. 1. Kickoff session. Introduction to AI/ML and Python basics. Discussion of ments goals and tailoring the program accordingly. 2. Weekly or bi-weekly sessions. Study and practice based on book chapters. Hands-on workshops on specific tools or algorithms. 3. Capstone project phase. Ments develop an end-to-end solution. Regular check-ins to track progress and address challenges. 4. Final presentation. Ments present their projects, receive feedback, and discuss next steps in their AI/ML journey. 5. Post-program support. Ongoing access to resources or networking opportunities. This mentorship structure transforms the book into a dynamic, interactive learning experience, ensuring ments not only understand AI/ML concepts but can also apply them effectively in real-world scenarios. The mentorship program flow, colorful Sankey, Pradeep K. Suri, diagram visually represents a structured progression through various phases of a mentorship program. Each stage of the program builds upon the previous one, guiding participants towards their career development and goals. Here's a detailed explanation of each component. Stages of the mentorship program. 1. Introduction. The starting point of the program. Introduces participants to the program's objectives, mentors, and fellow ments. Emphasis on creating a strong foundation for learning. 2. Python basics. Focuses on building fundamental programming skills. Covers core Python concepts such as variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Sets the groundwork for more advanced topics. 3. AI/ML concepts. Explores the principles of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. Introduces algorithms, data pre-processing, and model training. Provides theoretical and practical insights to understand AI-driven systems. For real-world case studies. Application of AI/ML concepts to solve real-world problems. Analyzes case studies from various industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Encourages critical thinking and creative problem solving. 5 hands-on projects. Participants work on practical projects to reinforce learning. Includes tasks like developing predictive models, data visualizations, and end-to-end applications. Promotes collaboration and independent project handling. 6 Capstone Project. A comprehensive project that integrates all the knowledge and skills gained. Mimics real-world challenges to test the participants' expertise. Often presented to mentors for feedback and evaluation. 7 Networking. Focuses on building professional relationships. Encourages ments to connect with industry leaders, peers, and mentors. Aims to enhance visibility and create opportunities for collaboration. 8 Career Development. Final stage dedicated to preparing participants for their professional journey. Offers guidance on resume building, interview preparation, and skill marketing. Supports long-term career growth and success. Visualization details. Node colors. Each stage has a unique vibrant color to distinguish it visually. The consistent flow of energy between the stages is represented by the link transparency and coloring. Link thickness. The width of each link represents the relative number of participants transitioning from one stage to the next. Highlights where most effort or drop-off may occur. Dark background. The dark theme makes the colors pop, enhancing readability and visual appeal. Aligns with professional presentation standards. Purpose of the mentorship program. This program is designed to equip participants with cutting-edge skills in AI/ML. Provide real-world experiences to ensure readiness for practical challenges. Create a platform for career advancement through networking and skill development. AI/ML model architecture with Python profiles. Pradeep K. Suri, a seasoned AI/ML architect, consultant, and author with over 40 years of experience in the engineering, process, and service industries. His work focuses on integrating AI and ML into complex sectors such as aerospace and manufacturing. As a system architect, he has designed AI-driven solutions tailored to optimize business operations, ensuring seamless integration into enterprise systems. Pradeep is also a thought leader, having authored 4 books that guide professionals in applying AI technologies to industrial processes. His latest work, AI/ML Model Architecture with Python, focuses on real-world applications of AI/ML in manufacturing and service industries using Python. Beyond writing, Pradeep has produced over 500 YouTube videos covering AI/ML case studies, tutorials, and industry-specific applications. His extensive expertise in cloud infrastructure ensures that AI models are scalable, secure, and agile, with a commitment to innovation and continuous learning. Pradeep K. Suri is an experienced AI/ML architect, consultant, and author with over 40 years of expertise in the engineering, process, and service industries. He has a strong background in integrating artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into complex sectors like aerospace and manufacturing. Suri has designed and implemented AI-driven solutions tailored to optimizing operations and ensuring seamless integration into enterprise systems. In addition to his work as a system architect, Pradeep K. Suri is also an influential thought leader. He has authored 4 books, with his latest titled AI/ML Model Architecture with Python. This work focuses on real-world applications of AI and ML technologies in industrial settings, specifically in manufacturing and service industries, using Python. Suri has also contributed to the AI/ML community by creating over 500 YouTube videos covering case studies, tutorials, and industry-specific applications. His deep understanding of cloud infrastructure ensures that AI models are scalable, secure, and adaptive to changing needs. His long-standing career demonstrates his dedication to continuous learning, innovation, and advancing the use of AI/ML in practical industrial applications. Thank you.